Let me ask you real quick. Have you ever looked at your account balance and thought, if only I had a little more to work with? Now, imagine starting something, a business, a side hustle, a legit income stream with just 5,000 naira or $10. I know it sounds like a stretch, but you'll be shocked what people are doing with even less. In this video, I'm giving you 5 powerful side hustles you can start today with just 5,000 naira, no fluff, no gimmicks, just real practical ideas that are working right now in Nigeria and beyond. We'll talk about the mindset you need to succeed. Yes, it matters. Side hustles you can start with your phone or basic tools. Where to find customers and how to turn small capitals into serious money. So grab your pen and paper, maybe even a cold zobo, and let's get into it. Hello Wealth Fam, and welcome back to Wealth with Doris, where every penny counts. On this channel, we build wealth together and turn pocket change into power moves. If you're ready to grow your money in a smart way that will bring you closer to financial freedom, this channel is the right place for you. If you're a first-time viewer, please subscribe, like, and so I'm going to put up a disclaimer here. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. No official financial advice is being given. Please always check with a professional before making any financial decision. Your investments are solely your responsibility. These videos merely share my own opinions with no guarantee of gain or losses. The starter mindset. Before we dive into the side hustles, let's check something more important than money: your mindset. Look, I get it, 5,000 naira doesn't really feel like much these days. But it's not the amount that matters, it is what you do with it. Think about it like this. Some people have 500,000 naira and still stay broke. Others take 5,000 and start a side hustle that feeds their family. Let me tell you about Ada from Benin City. She started packaging scented shea butter in small jars. Initial investment 4,200. She sold her first batch to co-workers. Fast forward 6 months, she now supplies bridal souvenirs across three states. So here is what I want you to ask yourself. What skill or resources do I already have? What problem can I solve for others? Am I willing to stay consistent even when it is tough? Your money is the seed. Your mindset is the soil. If the soil is poor, nothing grows. But when the soil is fertile, miracles happen. Let's move into the first hustle. My hustle number 1 is mini importation. You've probably heard about mini importation, but let me break it down into plain language. This hustle is all about buying small, cheap, but in-demand items from suppliers, mostly in China or local Lagos markets, and reselling them for profit with 5,000 naira. Here is what you can import or buy with that amount. 10 cute fashion earrings like what I'm wearing. Okay? 5 USB phone cables, 20 packs of press-on nails or lashes. You get these items from 1688.com. You can use a local agent to pay. Balogun Market or Trade Fair, Lagos. Facebook supplier groups. Then what? Resell all. Okay, you can resell on WhatsApp status. You start with your contact list. You can resell on Instagram or Facebook. marketplace. You can resell on Gigi or Konga, even Jumia if you want to scale. Now, since you are new to the business, don't buy in bulk yet. Start with 5 to 10 pieces. Test your market, reinvest the profit. Bolaji from Ibadan started with 6,800 selling men's wristwatch on WhatsApp. Today, he has a micro store and makes over 90K per month. Mini importation is one of my favorites because you grow fast if you stay consistent. My hustle number 2 is digital products. Let's say you are not about buying and selling physical products. Cool, you can still make money from your phone by selling digital products. All you need is a phone like what you have now, Canva, free or pro, your basic creativity. You can create things like daily planners or prayer journals. You can create things like budget templates. You can create things like recipe books or food timetables. You can create things like e-guide for JAMB or WAEC. You can create e-guides for skincare or parenting. Okay, so now platforms to sell them. You can sell on seller.co, great for Nigerians, Paystack storefront, ST if you want to earn in dollars. Chika from Abuja made $200 selling digital Bible journal she created in Canva. She posted on her IG story and used seller to receive her payment. Keep it simple. Start with one product, promote it consistently. My third hustle is freelancing with your phone. Freelancing is hot right now, and yes, you can start with your smartphone. You offer services like WhatsApp flyer designs. You use Canva to do it. Canva has the free version too. Simple video voiceovers, resume writing. You type it in Google Docs and sell it. Then transcription, listening, you type what you hear. That's what transcription is all about. Then where do you find clients for this? You can find a client in Upwork, in Fiverr, sidehustle.ng or Facebook groups. John from Enugu used his old Infinix phone to do transcription gigs. First client paid $30, then another $50, all from a free Fiverr profile. Start with free gigs to build reviews, then scale. My hustle number 4 is neighborhood services. You don't need to go online to hustle. Some of the best paying side jobs are right around you. Let me give you an idea of what neighborhood services looks like. Babysitting during weekends. Yeah, there are some mothers that are very busy. On weekends, they are looking for where to keep their babies or their kids. You can offer to help out. Mobile ironing. You borrow iron, you go to houses to iron their clothes during weekends after washing. Mobile car wash. All you need is just your soap, your sponge, and water, and voila. Printing and CV writing. You can use cyber cafe that is around you if you don't have a printer at home. Tell your church members, neighbors, and estate WhatsApp groups. You can offer a referral gift like 200 naira airtime. Word of mouth will explode your side hustle. My hustle number 5 is content resell or info marketing. Now, this one is underrated. You take a public info, you repackage it with a little extra value and resell. Example of what you can do with it is 50 Canadian scholarship plus CV templates. All these are online. You can just gather them together and put it in a template and resell. Use your Canva to put it in a PDF. Remote job list for Nigerians plus cover letter guide. 2025 WAEC past questions pack plus solution key. Now, the question is how? All you have to do is gather info from online or groups, bundle into a PDF or Google Doc, sell via WhatsApp or seller for 1k to 3,000 naira. Add extra value, don't just dump links, give templates, examples, summaries. I assure you, people pay for convenience. That was a power-packed section. Now, let's recap. 5 side hustles you can start with just 5,000 or $10. Mini importation, digital product sales, freelancing with your phone, neighborhood services, info marketing. Pick one. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Start where you are, stay consistent, reinvent yourself weekly, and most importantly, believe you can do it. If you got value from this, do 3 things. Subscribe so you don't miss future gems. Like this video so YouTube shows it to more hustlers like us. Comment your favorite hustle below. Let's chat it up. This is Wealth with Doris, where we start small but dream big. Till next time, start smart, spend wiser, grow richer. Catch you in the next one. Bye, Wet Farm!